ATHUGANIRUA mathandatu maria makuringithanwa na gikuo kia mututigi Daniel Sniper makathi na mbere kurigirwa kwa borishi MWANKA tariki 17 cia mweri uyu baria magakinywo mbere ya koti nene niyo High Court kuthomerwa NTHITANGO. Akiruta wamuri wawe umundi MUGAMBITHANIA Apodo na bete rwangirwa borishi ndikiriro uyu kurikiriria UCHUNKUNI wao na kuandikira NTHITANGO. ATHUGANIRUA makethirwa tiogu marekererwe kuri na ATHUGANIRUA mangi mathatu mathiite na mbere kurigirwa kwa borishi nyuma ya koti ya Kibera gwitikiria iromba ria kubarigiria gwa NTUKU 21 UCHUNKUNI ukiri Boniface Mongera atumambiririe na ino.
Rwangirwa kurugurira NTHITANGO DPP bena rungura mathajangi 35 kwithirwa bethirwa ni NTHITANGO ciao kirathugana batandatu baria bagwatine bara kwithirwa beringithana gikuo kia Daniel Muthiani kana Sniper. Kote kia muthenya wa NTUKU na gukurukira MUGAMBITHANIA miopondo nerekithiririe augethirwa bicio DPP gwikinyo kinyira NJUMATANO yauke batithirwa bakuthie gambarire polisi barotero runda ninyarotero muthaiga na aria ATHUGANIRUA babarigiritwe no barekerie bageta ciao.
Miscellaneous Criminal Application number 1 of 2024 Republic through the Directorate of Criminal Investigations versus Vincent Mureithi alias Supu, Kenneth Mutua, Frederick Murioki, Franklin Kimathi, Timothy Kinoti, and Murangari Kenneth shall be detained by the applicant at Muthaiga Police Station up to 17th of January 2024 to enable the applicant conclude investigations.
Giutate no rongiro rogambithania kira application yo bararombete NTUKU 21 MUGAMBITHANIA Opondo anenkanire NTUKU IJIRI akiuga ATHUGANIRUA baba ibakarite NTUKU kathumba kirito ne polisi onto borea ne giutate.
I would have not allowed the two applications and proceeded to release all the respondents under section 36A4 of the Criminal Procedure Code if the offense for which the suspects were arrested was not murder. It is in the interest of justice for the deceased, his family, relatives and friends, just as it is also in the interest of justice for the respondents that investigations into this matter be concluded and charge preferred.
Na nonto na kuatere ke watho igambarito makwithiro ithikirio court ya magistrate kairi MUGAMBITHANIA Opondo na thambire njira ciawe harere kithirio DPP beja NTHITANGO cio kana charge sheet bakethirwa michure kiri court ya High Court aria ATHUGANIRUA bakethirwa bagitikiria maite kinya kurega kana na gichonko plea.
I also order that the applicants shall arraign or present the respondents before High Court on 17th of January 2024 to take plea and or for any further orders that they may deem necessary. The claims of torture and other violations made by the respondents be addressed before the High Court.
Ke enge na kio na ke watho rongiro NTHITANGO na kathari ngakwithirwa begothari NTHITANGO cio cionthe amwacia baria bomba kwithirwa begotwa NTUKU enarua kana nya NTUKU erojo ethirwa maitijo ketho jengo na NTHITANGO na bethirwa bekara ikongorone kimwe gwitikiria kana kurega NTHITANGO kujukia plea na gichonko. Na rurongiro kurugura NTHITANGO DPP bena kanya kanga NTUKU IJIRI kana MWANKA NTUKU NJUMATANO ikimeketore kwithirwa bethuranira na kureta NTHITANGO cio kana charge sheet na bare mwiki barua iki igambariri kethiro ithangurukaniro au na likiambiria kairi ikwambira bobwero. Report na Ntoshero TV kuma kotini Kiambu, kaunti ya Kiambu, Boniface Mongera.